Hello friends. In my last video on Shani Dev, Saturn, which had turned retrograde, which means backward motion, I made a video explaining you the retrograde motion's effect on each sign. Now Shani Dev is, as you know, is going to remain in this retrogradation motion till the 11th of October. During this time, right up till 11th of October, there are certain more conjunction, more aspects happening. There are some changes, there are some transits, which is going to definitely have a great impact on all of us. And even on a mundane level, which I mean to say on political, at borders, and there are some combination that is happening after 59 years. When I say 59 years, I want to draw your attention towards 1962, and we all know what happened. We are trying to see that now, since Saturn is moving backward, is coming closer and closer and closer to Pluto, which means the effect of COVID-19 is going to remain, and obviously, as I told you in my last video, that after 17th of May, the cases will go down, and I'm seeing it happening. Now we have to even see or even understand that 2nd of June, Mars is entering into Cancer sign, where it is known as debilitated. It is bang opposite to Saturn, which is retrograde. On the 10th of June, we are going to witness a solar eclipse. We are also going to see that it's going to be Saturn and opposition of Sun as well. All this is happening in June and July. Mars in debilitation and Saturn in retrogradation, and both opposite to each other, I personally feel some disease regarding to blood, accidents, fire, air crash, tensions at the border will be seen in the month of June and July. This is a period of karmic cleaning, or I would say it's a period where you are balancing your karmas. So if you see, I always told you we are the best judge of ourselves. I know what wrong I have committed, though the world at large do not know. We always say that it's me and my God who knows what I did. So if you know what you did, it's time for you to pay for your karmas. And that is why Shani Dev in retrogradation is actually, the significance of retrogradation itself is going to be karmic cleaning. On the 20th of June, Jupiter, Guru, is also going to move retrograde. I shall be making video on Mars in debilitation. I shall be making video on the solar eclipse on the 10th of June. And similarly, I shall be making a video when Jupiter will go retrograde for each ascendant, or you can say each sign. Currently, we have to just, as much as possible, we must put our time into meditation. And as I always told you, meditation does not mean that it's people start thinking that meditation is too tough. It's nothing. It's just spending time with yourself. which we rarely or very scarcely do it. Do this. Let's wait for the 2nd of June when Mars is going to enter into the Cancer sign, which is going to be opposite to retrograde Saturn, and then see what happens. I also would want to know, I would like to tell you that all the nakshatras of Saturn as well as nakshatra of Moon, because we should remember that Saturn is not leaving the nakshatra Shravana. And last time I explained to you, when we talk about Shravana nakshatra, which is ruled by Moon, we have to even understand one more factor. It's all about hearing, listening, preaching, teaching, channels. Whichever channel is into communication, where you communicate and the other person listens. It could be TV channels, it could be news readers, it could be anyone. Okay, you will see the effect. I do not wish to elaborate on this. We have to be observant, see what's happening around, and you will understand, yes, Shani Dev has moved backward in a correction mode. He is going to correct lot many things. So much so that unexpected events would occur during this time. June and July is going to be a real karma or karmic cleansing time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Wait for my next videos, which I'm going to make for certain events that are going to just occur in near future. Thank you so much. Like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell icon if you haven't still done so. Thank you.